Hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this video, I want to share with you a very highly rated WooCommerce theme for your consideration if you want to start thinking to create an e-commerce store using WordPress. Okay, so the theme name is called Woodify. So this theme is very highly rated by many users on internet. In fact, most users give it a 5 star out of 5 rating. And I've personally tested this theme a few days ago, and I noticed that they offer a lot of WooCommerce features for you to use in your store for the free version. This theme has a paid version, but the free version is, I would say, more than enough for most beginner stores. Okay, so let's take a look at the installation. So I've installed the theme on my computer to test it out. And one of the recommendation points why I recommend this theme is because it's using Elementor. So Elementor is an easy to use editor you can use to edit your website. So first thing first, so once you install a WordPress website in your web hosting, you can import the content of all these e-commerce items to your store so that it's easier to work with. So you can just go to this option here, Woodify here, click on it, and go to starter sites on top and click activate this site library button. Okay, so then you can follow the steps. It will ask you to choose a template to import the content and also install all the plugins, the necessary plugins in your website. So after a few minutes, then you will be presented with a website that has built in all the content and you can just edit from here. So let's take, for example, if you want to edit the home page, you can just click on this option over here, edit with editor. So once you click this edit with Elementor, you will see the traditional how this is how Elementor layout for you. So you can simply click on any item over here and edit at the side. So it's very easy for you to just click on any item and edit it just like that. So once you have edit the necessary content, you can just click on the update button over here. So for example, right now the new arrival here, if you click on it, it is showing via the WooCommerce shortcode. As you can see that the product limit equal to 4, columns equal to 4, order by date. So if you want to switch it around to order by other attributes or to change it to 3 column or to limit the product to maybe more products, you can also do so over here. So it's very easy for you to edit the template from here. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard and go back to the front end. Okay, so let's take a look at the store. And you can see that the store layout is very clean. You can just click on any item over here. And this is the default product page. Okay, and I must say that this team managed to create a product page that looks very professional. People can just mouse over and click on any image here, and it will switch to the sub image to view the product, respective product images. And this product particularly is an affiliate product. So when people click on this button, they'll be brought to Amazon and they can buy this from Amazon. Let's take a look at the next product. Okay, so this product they are selling in store. So when I click add to cart, it will present me with the cart and I can click checkout to follow the usual checkout process. So you can see that this theme is very clean on the add to cart, description, review, related products. Okay, one more thing that I want to get your attention is that this theme does not come with the plugin to process the uh, payment unless you want to use the default option offered by WooCommerce at the back end over here. Okay, so the payment. So currently it has direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery. And I would recommend you to use this plugin. You can take note of this plugin, payment plugins for Stripe WooCommerce. Nowadays, Stripe is getting very popular with payment gateway. And once you integrate Stripe, which is pretty easy, once you install this plugin, you can do the setup, follow the instructions. You can accept debit card and credit card in your store. And I would suggest to avoid this Stripe plugin because there are several Stripe plugin in the WordPress official directory. So avoid the one by WooCommerce, which strangely this plugin has a lot of issue. You can see that the review is not so good. If you try the plugin, sometimes the payment will not get through. So this plugin, in my experience using so far, is very smooth. Uh, Success rate very high for your customers to make payment to your online store. Okay, and one last thing I want to share with you is that when you go to the back end and go to appearance customize, this is where you can find a lot of WooCommerce settings and feature here that you can configure for your website. So let's take a look over here under the customize options. There are many options over here. You can click on WooCommerce and you can from here you can customize. There's a store notice. You can customize the catalog page, the product images, the checkout page, the product single product page, the cart page, mini cart, shipping threshold, and I rarely see so many configuration in other WooCommerce theme. So this is what the reason why I would recommend you to try out this theme if you can for your store to avoid frustrations with other templates or other WooCommerce template. So this is all for this video. If you have any questions regarding this template, feel free to post in the questions area below. I hope that you find this recommendation useful for your e-commerce store. Thank you.